Hello, welcome students. I am Dr. Tanmay Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today's lecture will discuss about a MCQ regarding the reaction of butyl lithium. Okay, so such type of question could be useful for the exam like BSMS, BSc or MSc or etc. equivalent exams. So first, as usual, I request you please try to solve the question by yourself, and definitely I shall answer after some time. So I believe, please pause the video and try by yourself. I believe you have tried by yourself. Now let me answer you the question. So before going to such question, I request you please read the questions properly, because these questions are not difficult, but proper information is essential that you have. Okay, so let me give you the answer first. The answer of this problem is this one. Sorry, this one. Question why, and why not the others. Okay, so a lot of chemistry to be discussed. Now let's go to the details of this discussion. Now before going to details, just try to remember one thing. What is the basic difference of pyridine with other heterocycles? What is the basic difference? Generally, if I ask you this question, you will say that sir, the main difference is one heteroatom. Yes. So this is the one of the most important difference you can consider, that presence of this heteroatom. And what difference in property arises because of this heteroatom? See, it is a electronegative heteroatom. I want to give you some brief understanding such that not only answer of this question, some basic knowledge you also gain from this discussion. So this is electronegative, point number 1, and these lone pair in sp2 orbital. Okay, that is not in aromaticity. Means this lone pair is not in conjugation. Fine. So these 2 points we know. Additionally, because of this electronegativity, what happens? See, if you want to draw canonical form of this pyridine, the canonical form is this. So what message we are getting from here is that either this or this part, what you observe? You observed this type of thing. What do I mean by this statement? This is nothing but, you may consider a imine derivative. Okay, imine derivative, but if you have any confusion in understanding, just consider the corresponding oxygen analog, that is aldehyde. So you may consider this in this way, aldehyde. And if I say that what is the reaction between aldehyde and butyl lithium, I should expect that you should know. This is plus butyl lithium. Okay, what is? It is actually a secondary alcohol. This is butyl, this is the OH. Obviously after workup. Okay, why? See, butyl lithium is a nucleophile. Just focus here. It's important. So it's nucleophile and this is electrophile. So what happened? And lithium, we know, first coordinates with the oxygen. Because lithium acts as a Lewis acid and it coordinates to the oxygen, and which consequently enhance the electron deficiency, or better to say electrophilicity. Consequently, this butyl group attacks here and open, and this work happened using a phenomena known Bordji-Dunich trajectory or Bargy-Dunich trajectory. Bardunich trajectory. I have already uploaded a video about it. I suggest you all please visit, because this explains how this attack happens on carbonyl group. Angle around, I am not saying exact, around 107 degree. Okay, please visit that video. I have already uploaded. So fine. So in this way, this reaction happens. So this is the basic mechanism you may consider. Now, what is happening in case of pyridine? So as from our discussion, what we learned? That pyridine is aromatic, it's true, but sometimes it acts like a carbonyl derivative, or better actually imine derivative. imine derivative which likes carbon. So question, if it's carbon, so addition reaction possible? Fine. Now to another two question analysis. If I consider this pyridine derivative and if I want to draw a resonance structure, so what can happen? This can take the electron density. So if it is this, then pyridine have positive charge here, canonical structure 1. Similarly, it can have another canonical structure, means this have a minus this plus, but another canonical structure opposite of this. So this means this now why I am showing this? The main purpose to show you that in which position pyridine is electron deficient. First of all, this and this. So better to say this is para position and this is ortho position. So any nucleophilic attack is expected to happen on this position because they are electron deficient. Point number 1. Fine. And second, you may consider that there is a nitrogen lone pair which can coordinate to the lithium plus and stabilize the electron deficiency of butyl lithium. Point number 1. Second. So we understood that attack is expected to happen this or this, and now both possible here and here. But question, where the attack will occur? The attack will occur at that position where the electron deficiency is maximum. Okay. Now question, from your understanding you can predict which center has the maximum electron deficiency. Obviously this ortho center. Why? Because see, minus I as well as minus R both is operating in this ortho position, whereas in para case only minus R acting. So this is better. Fine. Now you may say that sir, aromaticity is lost. It's true, aromaticity is lost during this attack, but you have to keep it in mind, reactivity is there, and this is a borderline substrate between benzene and imine, better to say, in between thing. Okay. So if this butyl group, so butyl group will attack on this carbon. Okay, so what will be the product? Means you may consider that this and this bond will open up. Okay, fine. So this is the butyl, this is the hydrogen and nitrogen, this. Now one important point, when I wrote this resonance structure, it is generally told that the contribution of the canonical form having charge separation is less, because charge separation means lack of, means destabilization. Then question, still why this is happening? My opinion is not to say that it will remain in charge separated from. I want to say that there is a possibility of charge separation which somewhat increases the electron deficiency at these two center, which is responsible for the fact that attacks happen this. Actually, this is the experimental phenomena we are explaining. So find this. Now question, what is the next? As I told in the option that this converted into aromatic counterpart, butyl plus H minus. Question, how and why? Okay. So first of all, point number 1, aromaticity is gained. Aromaticity is gained. And second thing, see, actually I wrote a option workup. Workup doesn't mean that we do workup under open condition. After butyl lithium reactions are done under inert atmosphere. For example, argon environment, dry argon environment, as to say. But after that we quench with water or means open atmosphere. So that time what happened? This thing could be done by atmospheric oxygen also. Okay, atmospheric oxygen also. What? Oxygen is an oxidizing agent, and see, hydride is excess electron. So taking excess electron and it could be converted into like water. This is oxidation. And another thing, see, oxygen is more electron rich, so this electron will be preferentially stabilized on oxygen compared to this hydride. Fine. So that is the reason that these reaction will occur. By the way, question, why this doesn't happen? As I told, only minus I executing. And another important point, why not both sides? Means what I mean, this as well as this. See, when I have mentioned only butyl lithium, these means that one equivalent reagent. Okay, so these are the common sense for examination which you have to develop while you practice this thing. Okay, so this is the overall discussion. And another thing, I have given one answer why this lithium plus and hydroxyl minus, why it cannot. See, this is possible when reaction will not occur. Okay, so if you mix these two and there is no reaction, then what is expected? That this butyl lithium will be quenched with water, and what it will produce? It will produce butane plus lithium hydroxide. Okay, and this is a butane is a, better to say, gas, so it will go out. What will remain in the lithium hydroxide means lithium plus and hydroxyl minus. See, as I told previously also that this 2p row element like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine can coordinate strongly with lithium because same size matching. So it can also coordinate. That's why this lithium hydroxide here, it could be coordinated. Possible. I'm not saying it will remain there, depending on the possible. So that's why I've given this option, but it will not be the right answer. Okay, so this is actually to confuse you. So this is the overall discussion. So what you have learned today. Okay, before going to that, let me give you okay, so what you have learned today. We have learned today about reactivity of pyridine. That is means the nucleophilic attack will happen on the ortho position because of imine type structure, means it resemble to keto. That's why butyl lithium have butane is nucleophilic. It will attack here. First it will form addition complex. This one and this addition complex in terms of what during the workup will be oxidized and produce the aromatic derivative, that is ortho or 2-butyl added pyridine derivative. This is a very interesting thing. You can do nucleophilic substitution on aromatic nucleus because of this unique property of pyridine. Okay. So now, question, if such question comes in your exam within 30 seconds, how can you explain? First of all, you need to understand that pyridine is like this imine, means aldehyde, so addition reaction will happen. Point number one. So this within 5 seconds you can come out this solution that okay, this is the fine. Second step, when there is a chance of aromatization, compound will prefer to do. And by the way, I have also provided an option, that is this one. Okay. So question, why I have given to make you confused, because majority of students I expect will be confused between this option versus this option. 4 I believe majority will not consider, but you have to understand this part. So now based on that you have to eliminate this option as aromaticity is gained in this structure, so that is eliminated. Now this is the end of this discussion. Now if I say that how you can get the right answer, within 50 seconds. First of all, you have to keep few things in mind. See, this is like a imine derivative. Means you may consider as a imine means keto. So if you put a nucleophilic reagent like butyl lithium, nucleophilic as well as very reactive, then expected addition reaction will happen. Point number one. But now the greatest confusion will come between this, means this versus this. So here, since aromaticity is gained and I have written workup means under normal conditions, so there is a chance of oxidation during the workup. So for that purpose, overall ultimately this. So if you know the right answer, that's very good. If you don't know, then based on the common sense, you can come out to the right answer. So this is the end of this discussion. I believe this lecture could be maybe useful for you. Please write me in the comment box, is it really helpful for you or not? And if it is, then please help my channel to grow. First of all, subscribe my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. Because generally I prefer to upload on a regular basis because I am free in this lockdown. So this, and additionally, you should share these videos with your friends so that it could be beneficial for them also. And most importantly, please like the video and make some good comment because it inspires a lot. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.